Mustache Motorsports. Hope you enjoyed. It was a little crazy, but we got there. I think I've been framing. Let me try again. There we go. Take two. Yeah. Hope you enjoyed that craziness. I'm not the fastest at it, and I'm still trying to use alternative materials, so we'll see how good it is. I'm really excited to eventually be able to actually sit on this. Actually got some foam. That's gonna sit right here. We're gonna trim that down, be whatever. Also trim to this level. Not sure about this part. It hasn't been too bad when I sat on it before I put any of this stuff on, but my first attempt at it got moldy because I left the pot on it sitting right here, so that got mold on it. I had to clean that off and then coat it again. Yeah, threw a little extra gluey stuff here and here. Don't need that. Yeah. I don't know. Eventually I'm gonna ride this thing. It's gonna happen.